Good morning everyone and welcome to today's maths lesson. The purpose of a few of these lessons this week is just to recap some knowledge to help us with addition and subtraction sums. I know we've been working on multiplication and division for the past few weeks, but I just thought we'd have a sort of recap because I really think this will help in terms of our fluency. So when we're working out sums, we're working them out quickly and accurately. It's just like learning the times tables both for multiplication and division. If you learn these number facts, such as number bonds that we are today, then when it comes to things like doing arithmetic sums or even the reasoning questions, you'll be able to work out sums, all different types of sums really quickly. So again, today's learning intention is, can I use number bonds to solve addition and subtraction problems? So we can solve them quickly and accurately. So remember, number bonds are numbers that make an easy number like 10, 20 and 100, because when we are adding and subtracting, we need to be thinking, right, let's make this as easy for ourselves as possible. So let's make a 10, let's make a 20, let's make 100. Because when we add 100 add something or 10 add something, it's much easier for ourselves. The things we need to remember, so for addition, we're adding 10s first, then the 1s. If the 1's up to more than 10, add the extra 10. That only sort of comes when we're adding, when we're using the number bonds and they are the 1s, obviously they are going to add the 10. So if you look at the number 10, there are going to be no 1s, and then you just add in 1 10 to that number. When it comes to subtraction, we take the 10s first, use number bonds to find out what's left over. So very much like multiplication and division, if we know the times tables, we can use those numbers from the multiplication number sentence to work out division. Very much the same as addition and subtraction. If we know our number bonds to 10, so 4 add 6 equals 10, then I know that 10 take away 6 equals 4, because those are the numbers used in addition. We just put them in a different order. And if you remember, subtraction always has the biggest number first, addition always has the biggest number as the answer, and that's normally last.